Hey yo folks, welcome back to another fishing video with LJ. We are out here at Seminole Lake Park. It is just gonna be a beautiful day here. We're gonna catch fish. Hopefully, we're gonna have a good day for you guys. So, I'll be with my dad, we'll be fishing. So, I mean, something different out in the boat. I hope you guys enjoy. Please like and subscribe. See you out there. If you don't get at least picked up,
Whatever that was big, I would take that.
it might have been gator.
Try to get one more shot in there.
You get it?
What you have to look for too, Lynn, is those bass will actually move these sticks. So if
Oh, yeah.
you see one move, you know there's a fish around, like the base of it. I just seen a couple move over there when I was trying to pull this out.
We were going to, but then I decided not to because I didn't know about my troll moning skills. I was not really trying to get in or out of a sticky situation. Oh, small one,
Yeah.
but that's all right.
He's a bass.
Let's go.
He's a basser. Was that a bird?
Yeah. You're really putting on a Mondo worm. Oh jeez. They're just big. They're 10 inches.
I don't like those small little. Is the tail supposed to go? The tail's supposed to be like that.
Uh-huh.
Is it?
Yeah.
It's supposed to cut it. I think it's supposed to cut it. Yeah.
Just rip it a little bit.
I'm gonna have to have you cut this though.
Yeah.
Oh. Cutting that best you can. Oh, that's heavy too. Alright, we gotta get you pliers. Cutter. Pliers just so you can get the damn fish out.
The wind.
Yeah, no, I understand that. Dude, you ain't gotta worry about me. Alright.
What? We need to put that lower.
A lot of hydrilla down here.
I know. Oh, it's a fish. He picked it up.
Nice, buddy.
He picked it up on the drop.
Dude, ain't nothing wrong with that.
I don't think I'll pick it up. Oh, ow, oh. Yeah.
Oh my god.
What?
I hope I didn't just lose that one.
I have more.
I know, but no, I might.
Those were like, that was like a $10 pack.
Was it really?
Mm-hmm.
God, man, I owe you money.
No, don't.
Dude, that's nice there in the sun. Did you see that?
Mm-hmm. That's the first bass in this new reel.
Nice. How do you think you felt about it?
I liked it.
You know, loves bass fishing. Great. Talking for a while, but he's good at that.
Is he good at bass fishing?
He's good at fishing.
Well, I mean, no, he's good at any fishing, but
He's pretty good at it. He loves bass fishing. He just loves catching. Tony too. Crazy ass man.
I know Tony is.
That's a big one.
You hear the gator?
Dipping it up a little bit.
There you go. There you go.
Oh, I missed him. He
Did-
was on.
you
He
missed
was
him?
moving, yep. He was moving. Look,
Oh, you lost the worm.
I lost everything. He got short shrift. He moved everything, dude. He was moving the whole fucking thing.
I'm gonna go back. See,
I didn't get a good attack.
I just want to see if he's still there.
Well, he's got something in his mouth.
Unless it fell out.
How do you rig these little drawers?
Oh, the bandito. Are they the bandito bugs? What are they called?
Coogan? Coogan? I don't know. Crawfish.
Oh, Kraken crawls. Thank you everyone guys so much for watching this fishing video. If you guys enjoyed today's video, like, subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. Help grow the channel. Make me want to do more of this. Well, got nothing else to say but go catch some fish guys. Have a good day.